Did you know the used cooking oil from your local restaurant could be the answer to reducing greenhouse gas emissions from the heavy vehicles on our roads? It's possible now. Cleanaway is one of the first in Australia to use renewable diesel to demonstrate how we can all benefit from this low-carbon, circular fossil fuel replacement. So, how does it work? Our trucks collect used cooking oil from commercial kitchens, restaurants and shopping centres. The oil we collect goes through a refining process to be turned into Neste MY Renewable Diesel, also known as HVO 100 hydro-treated vegetable oil. Neste MY Renewable Diesel is made from 100% renewable material, like used cooking oil, helping enable a circular solution with up to 90% less greenhouse gas emissions than fossil diesel. Heavy vehicles transporting waste, food, products, and other freight services contribute to Australia's greenhouse gas emissions. We're putting renewable diesel in selected Cleanaway trucks to demonstrate how effective this fuel can be for reducing emissions from heavy vehicles in Australia. Because the more carbon we can remove from the atmosphere, the better it is for our community today and in the future. Waste is a resource for high circular, low carbon solutions, and that's how we're making a sustainable future possible together.